Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. I hope your weekend is going great. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing a new paper collection from Fancy Pants Designs, and I'll just go ahead and dive right in. I'll link my previous video where I share a couple of other new items and dies that were included in the design team package that I received a couple days ago, but for this video I'm just going to be sharing the Bloom collection kit, and this kit includes 12 by 12 double-sided papers, 2 each of 6 designs, and a 12 by 12 sticker sheet that has 49 stickers. So this collection kit can be found at fancypantsdesigns.com in their shop, and it's priced at $16.99. So I think this is a really cute, fun collection. It's got like spring vibes, in my opinion, and it's very, the style, I think, to me, it looks like very watercolor style, kind of artsy, watercolor type designs. So this is one of the pattern papers, and here is the back. So there's that one. And again, this is the Bloom paper collection. This one here with like a green background and lots of florals. And then right here, see, to me this looks very watercolor, you know? I don't know. What do you think? Is that what you would call like this style of paper? That's what it looks like to me. So here is this one here. This one's pretty. I love the bright yellow background with the pastels. So pretty. And here, this one here looks like, you know, brush strokes or like color swatches that you would make if you were watercoloring. This one looks like oranges to me, like watercolored oranges. You could fussy cut these out. And here's like a green, blue, I don't know. It reminds me of like sea colors, you know, like the ocean, like greens and blues mixed in. So pretty. So there's that one. This one here, of course, I think is my favorite. So pretty. These look like watercolored strawberries. And I even like, some of these look like they'd be sliced, and this would be like the inside of the strawberry. I think this is pretty. I love the colors and the kind of soft background on this one. And here's another like rainbow watercolor background. I don't know if I should be naming these, but this one is You're Very Sweet. So there's that one. I think that's, I should let you know what the names are, because I know they sell the 12 by 12 papers individually as well on the website. And there's this one here, more beautiful florals with the white background and these pretty, again, this makes me think of like sea and like the little green plants that would be growing under the water. So pretty. This one is Painterly Posies. Painterly Posies. So there's those. And here is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And this is, again, on this one, they do have a separate foam sticker set that you can purchase separately. So this is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet that comes with the paper collection kit. So you get the 12 double-sided papers and this 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So pretty. I love all the different sentiments here. This little postage design there. So there's that. And then for the extras that you can purchase separately, you've got the foam stickers here. And I think they're so pretty. I do really like the foam stickers. Strawberries and, you know, some words here. Kindness, wild, life. And then here's this one. It says beauty, happily, thankful. Love all the strawberries and the flowers. So that's the foam sticker sheet. And these are priced at $6.99. And the ephemera, you get 53 pieces in the ephemera right here. Trying to get them framed. I think I've moved my stuff around, and or it's just been a while since I've done a video, so hopefully you can see all these, and I'll take them out in a bit. And then this was new. This is the Bloom sticker book, and you get 246 stickers. When I saw this, I immediately thought like planners, but of course you can use them for anything, cards. So you get several sticker sheets that would make up the sticker book. So here's this one with the florals, a couple strawberries. This one is alphas, alpha stickers, different colors and styles. This one has some tags and sentiments. Hey girl, darling, totally amazing. And then just some blank like tags and tabs. And some more of the watercolor flowers or painterly flowers. Some words: wild, life, kindness, happily, thankful. So you get the words there, and then a couple more tags and labels here. So pretty. So that was fun. Definitely did make me think of planners. And then here we've got the enamel stickers, 60 pieces in all the matching colors. Really cute, love those. And I'll go ahead and share some of these ephemera pieces so you can just see kind of what's in the package there. Flowers, leaves, wondrous, little sentiment there, best day. We've got some strawberries and greenery, some tabs. And there's this little greenery there. Be kind, live well. So pretty. I've been wanting to make like some faith-based projects or journaling. And I immediately thought of that when I saw this collection. I think it would be really pretty to do, some faith type of projects, Bible verses, things like that. So that's what I thought of when I saw this. It's just like a very, I don't know, like calm looking collection, and just really pretty with the watercolor look. So that's what I thought of. Life can be messy, but worth it. And this one says, you are sweet as a strawberry, my love. So cute. Holiday staycation. Another like watercolor leaf type of thing, branch. I like these. I always really like these designs where they have like a ticket and then another ticket that, technically you could, would be perforated, or you could, take it off, tear it off type of thing. I think that's cute. This one's cute for journaling. It says who, what, where. Another beautiful flower. Like a Polaroid frame with some labels on the inside there. And oh, look at this, is different. It's a little envelope. So it's got some score lines, and you can fold it and make a little envelope. So that's cute. That's different. And there you go. Those are all the ephemera pieces in the 53 pack there. The foam stickers and just everything in this really fun collection, the Bloom collection kit. So I hope you enjoyed that. And again, this can be found at fancypantsdesigns.com in their shop, and the collection kits are $16.99. I do have a discount code if you want to save 10%. It's SWEETS10, so SWEETS and the number 10. So that's it, guys. You can also follow me on Instagram, papersweets09 on Instagram, and I'll be back to share another of the collection kits. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you in the next video.